Hey, what is up guys, Devaski back with another video, and I have a box which contains a laptop, the ACER Swift 3 to be specific, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing and see what it looks like. So it has a little tag right here, and I have a knife to pop it open. So let's do that. Don't do this if you're not me. It's very unsafe. Oh, yeah, we got it. Put that aside, and let's get this thing opened up. Boop. Boom. And inside there is, oh, it just kind of falls open. Alright, so inside of this, as you can see right here, is some manuals. There, sir. More manuals. And alright, so Future Devaski here, and yeah, it does actually come with a charger. Comes with a charging brick. So it's pretty small charging ports, as you can see. And yeah, this end. Let me pop that open. Y'all, yeah, pretty much it. Pretty decent sized brick for travel. Think you'll be fine. But yeah, just want to add that piece in, and back to the video. The laptop right here. Ooh. Surrounded by a lot of cardboard. Ooh, nice little, what is this, like cotton or something? Little cotton and cool. Ooh, look at that! Look at that. That is nice. This has in the AMD Ryzen 7, 8 gigs of RAM, 512 solid state drive, and let's open it up. Let's see what the inside looks like. Ooh, has a little covering, as you can see. Let's peel that off. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. And this is a laptop. ACER Swift 3. It comes with a fingerprint scanner as well. Nice keyboard. Decent trackpad. The only downfall or pitfall of this laptop is apparently the screen, but we'll get into that once I do a full review of this device. But for now, that's been it. That's it. That's just a little unboxing of the ACER Swift 3. And I'll catch you guys.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Maybe next time, Siri. I'll catch you guys.
I'm not sure I understand.
In the next video. Alright, Devaski out. Peace.